Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you first setup on Windows 10 on virtual machine. Okay, so the first step, as you can see, is choosing our language. I will not change language, I will keep with the English. So we click next. Now we can install. So we are clicking install. Setup is starting, as you can see. So here Windows tell us that have we have to type our key, but I don't have a product key, so I'm gonna click here. Okay, now you can choose your operating system. Which Windows do you want? For me it will be just Windows Pro. Now here you have to accept the license terms, and here we are clicking next. Now Windows is installing. Getting files ready for installation. Okay. And it's done. As you can see, Windows is installed. Now we have to choose our region, our keyboard. No, we don't need the second keyboard. Now we have to choose how would you like to set up this Windows. We're gonna choose offline account. Now we have to type our name. For me it will be HardReset. Our password. We have to confirm our password. Now we have to answer for some security answers. I don't know. My first pet name was Doggy, I'm gonna say. Okay, second one. My oldest cousin, I'm gonna say Hubert. And I was born in Krakow. No, not now. No, we don't want to share our location. Find my device. No, we don't need this. I'm gonna skip this. Not now. and it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.